Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we create this part in FreeCAD. This detail drawing download from the below website. Okay, let's start. First we need to create a new document. Tile. Create a new body. Create a new sketch. We first need to create this 35-point cylinder. Okay. Select YZ plane. First, create a circle coincident. Constraint coincident. Okay, we need to delete coincident. Const. Make dimension. Diameter. Pied. The dimension 20.5. Okay. Create new sketch. Select the 24 circle. Diameter 24. Leave the sketch. Then we pied the dimension 40. Okay. Next, we create the 15 and the 16 two cylinder. Create new sketch. Select YZ plane. View sketch. Create a circle. Make dimension diameter 15. Leave the sketch. Then we pied the dimension 16.2. Okay. Next, we need to create this pocket feature. So, create new sketch. Select YZ plane. Create two circle. Make dimension sorry, with the first part feature the dimension is wrong. Diameter is 38. We need to change. Okay, we're finishing the sketch. Leave the sketch. Then we come back, select the first feature, select sketch, the diameter 38, leave the sketch. Okay. Next, come back, select sketch 003, then pocket, dimension tab, 2 dimensions, and the first length 85, second length, direction reversed, -3. Okay, perfect. Next, we need to create the rectangle, depth 10 mm, the length 12.2. Select this face and create new sketch. create center rectangle. Make dimension the length to equal. Leave the sketch, then pocket 10 mm. Okay. Next, we create the pocket feature 6 and 20. So create new sketch, select XZ plane. External geometry, select this arc, view sketching, create rectangle. Construct symmetrical. Okay, we need delete the construct 8. Make dimension 6 mm. Leave the sketch, then we pocket. Dimension tab through all. Symmetrical to plane. Okay. Next, we create the last feature. The diameter 8.5 and the length 27.5. Select this face, create new sketch, create a circle, diameter 8.5. Leave the sketch, then we pocket 27.5. Okay. We need to change the body color yellow. We select the last feature and right click set color. Hold Ctrl, select the face you want to change the color. Okay. Read. Okay, we're finishing the part. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.